Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Asta Science. I hope you all are good and doing well. So today we are going to demonstrate the not static external storage class. So here, as you can see, we have storage in memory. Default initial value will be 0 and the scope will be global. So we can say it will be treated as a global variable. And the life of this storage class will as long as the program execution doesn't come to the end. So till the execution of program we have uh, remain the values of this variable within the memory, so we can use throughout the whole program. So let's move to the coding part. Let's create a file CQ5. Let's include header file, then create a variable I, and here we will create two functions. First one will be increment and second will be decrement. So here we are using simple int I, and this will treat as an external variable, so we can use it throughout the program. Because I is declared outside the all function, so it will treat it as a external storage class, so we have to declare it before the functions. Every function include main also. So let's create increment function here, and now create a decrement function, and now create our main function. So let's print the value of I, and the I will be okay. So what it will print? Actually it will print 0, because we have 0 initial value. Default initial value will be 0, so it will store I is equal to 0. Now in main we execute increment, then again increment, and then decrement, and then we have to prove return 0 for successful execution. So let's create our declaration. Okay, so for increment, let's increment the value of I is equal to I plus 1, and then we write a printf statement on incrementing I is equal to %t, and then it will print the value of I. That's it. Let's do same for decrement here. Okay, on decrementing I, and here we have to -1. So let's execute it and have a look. Sorry, we have to include, we should include, and here also. Now again execute it. Yes. So here, as you can see, we have I is equal to 0 for initial default initial value. I will be 0, and then we have, after incrementing, it will become 1, and on incrementing again it will return 2. So this is working as a static storage class. But when we execute another function decrementing I is equal to, so it is receiving the value of I as 2. So throughout the whole program we will have, at this stage I is equal to 2, so it will decrement 1. Then again again we call function decrement again, so it will also receiving I as an input. So as you can see here, it is I is working as a global. So remember first things, that you have to declare this integer without any keyword. So you have to simply use int or I before the functions. So it will become a external storage class variable. So that's it. Thanks for watching my video. In next lecture we will cover all the 4 classes in Hindi. So please subscribe our channel, and we will also compare the differences between these 4 classes. So please subscribe our channel and press the like button also. Thank you.